Welcome. Here is the lecture for adding menus in the window, developing GUI in Python. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Let's go. First, write down from tkinter import start, as we are using tkinter for developing the GUI. Then we are declaring the class window, and you have to write down the default method for initializing the window. So def init provide the self and master equal to none. Then write the self.master equal to master and self.pack with the arguments fill equal to both and expand equal to 1. Now we'll write the code for adding the menus in our window. So first, menu button. Provide the arguments to the menu button self, comma, text equal to. Here you will write the label for the menus, like you have the menus, file, edit, the main menus. Here you will write the title for the main menu. Now the options for the menu you can add by writing the following code. First, we'll initialize the menu. So mb.menu equal to menu, like you write the constructor. MB in bracket will give menu equal to mb.menu. Now MB is the variable which we have declared for the menu button. Then we are supplying the menu with the small menu. So we have written here mb.menu.add command. So here we are writing the menus under the menu button. So first option is option 1. So that is the first menu under menu button. Label equal to option 1. Now what command you want to execute when the first menu, that is option 1, is selected, that is supplied with the command. So after clicking or selecting the option 1, it will be displaying this is the first option on the console. So we are giving the command to print this is first option message. Likewise, we can add the different menu options under the menu button. Now we have to pack the menu. So mb.pack will fix out the place for the menu. And the following file lines, root equal to tk, these are the by default few lines you have to write down. Now here is the output menu button option 1, and it will display the message this is the first option. So likewise you can create menus. Root equal to tk app equal to window with the root.wm title tk window Geometry is, I have set 500 by 300. Here I have changed the name of menu from menu button to menu. Likewise, you can give any label for your menu. We will add another menu option under menu. Same code we have to repeat with the label option 2 and the command. This is the second option. Run the program. Here it is, option 1, option 2. When you click on option 1, this is the first option. So it will print the message on the console. Option 2, this is the second option. So likewise, you can add the menus in your GUI. If you have any doubt, please comment, and if you like the video, share it. Thank you.